Have you experienced waking up one morning, preparing for a big day ahead? No time to brew, no time to wait for a grab, and you just want a quick fix na basta, hashtag, gusto ko lang magkape. I am Gerald Saldi, Managing Director of Quantech Incorporated and a student of Ateneo Graduate School of Business, on addressing competition and driving market growth. I didn't like Starbucks to begin with. It is too expensive, the name on the cup is too corny, and the choices overwhelming for someone who just wants black coffee like me. I can't even memorize the cup sizes. But does my preference matter? I drink 2 cups of coffee a day or 200 pesos per day, which is 62,000 pesos per year. If I switch to Starbucks, that's going to be 125,000 pesos per year. Starbucks dominates globally in 2022 59.2% of the market share. In the Philippines, it's 5 times its competitors' sales with 479 locations, 30% overall with Dunkin's 800 location. But what does it mean for me? There are 3 Starbucks locations on my route to the office versus one McCafe with no drive-through and zero Mary Grace and Dunkin's. How about the small competitors that are categorized as cloners that copy leaders' products and packaging, imitators that copy elements like cup sizes but differ in pricing and location, and adapters which improve certain features? Yet most are closed during key hours, some open at 11 a.m. and others at 6 p.m. This only means that the defensive marketing by the leaders would include position, flank, preemptive, counteroffense, mobile, and contraction defenses against the competition. Leaders innovate like beans in a pod, distinctive core branding, early distribution, delivery, dine-in, drive-through, and new formats like brew at home, pods, and ready-to-drink options. Market leadership isn't permanent, so the leaders need to protect their shares. Challenges arises from market followers, challengers, and niches who target unserved areas. Strategies like market modification to expand users or increase usage rates may appear. Demographic location-based approaches would also be ideal in my case. For instance, if McCafe, UCC, or The Beanery open a drive-through on my route, I'd switch to them. If Krispy Kreme or RA Coffee opens at 6 a.m., I'd save 240 pesos per day. Pero kape lang naman talaga gusto ko. And because of that, we did a review. Why I didn't like Starbucks, my worth as a consumer, Starbucks market share globally and locally, defensive marketing, growing the core, and how the market structure can be challenged. But at the end of the day, gusto ko lang talaga magkape. I am Gerald Saldi, wishing you an enjoyable cup of coffee today.